'Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kick out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea and I'll get my ping pong. Let's get heavy, can't hit the baseball, I'm ready. Life's sweet as honey, get this beach straight like money. Let's go all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm fired up, you know I glow up. Hey, so let's go. 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with a little fucking song. Light it up like dynamite.
I can't get in. I got enough fuel to move all day. Oh, fish on. Oh, that's good fish. Go, brother. Into one. Nate. On the big dong. Come on, Nate. Oh no!
Look at it.
I think I broke the net.
No,
oh,
look
what
at
the
it.
hell? on the big plastic.
big plastic.
Oh, we're on. We're gonna catch fish today. Yeah, mate. We got big fish today.
Smashed it.
He did. Nice fish, Reese.
First fish!
Woo!
First fish in the trip! Where are you, Dad?
RPM. Yeah, go on. Fish on. Oh, little flatty. A little bit of flatty action. Oh, might not be a flatty. I saw silver. That's a brim. Not bad fish. Straight in the boat. Nice, first cast. Decent one. They're not looking. Cheeky. Cheeky brim. On the plastic, 4 pound leader. That's what I'm trying. It's light leader. Nice fish. On the grub. Is he legal? Oh, are you still, mate? He is. Just legal. 27. So I'm gonna keep him. Put him in there. Let's just keep casting. Are we really walking this?
I don't know, I was better asking the same thing. I feel like it's going to be this shit until we get to that.
There's a flatty. Go on. There's Racy boy. He's only a little fella. Yeah, there's more. There is another fish. I mean, we're still catching them out of here. Still on the bite. It's getting later in the day. Got a few fish. They're not on fire. Hopefully tomorrow's the day. This is sort of ending off the day. I reckon this could be one of the last fish. Hopefully more, but yeah, it's a good one. There's always tomorrow. But nice to get one at the end. I'll keep fishing for a little bit though. See what we can get. Yep, on. Big one. Big fish. That's a good one. Nice fish. That's a good flatty. Right in front of him. That's RPM Fishing. That's my brother. I haven't talked about him yet. He's out here fishing for it. This is a bit of his birthday trip. And we got one. Finally, something a bit decent. Woo-hoo-hoo. 50. 45. Smacked it too as I was walking in. Good fish. There he is, nice flatty. It's the biggest one of the trip so far. It's pretty good. He's about 50. We're gonna keep it for a feed, but pretty happy with that. We should get some more later on as the night progresses. I said the last fish was gonna be my last one, but here we go. Got another one, which is good. Should definitely get flatted here. Yep, got him. Yeah, nice little fish. Finally. It's only small. Oh, he's doing weird stuff. Well, we found one. I was just saying there should be some flatted in here. He's probably just legal. He's around that 36, maybe a bit smaller. Just undersized. I'm gonna let him go anyway. The fishing has been really slow today, so this is the first flathead I've actually, second flathead I've caught today. But yeah, I'm drifting up in this creek, got one, so this is my last session of the day. We'll see what we get, and yeah, it's the first nice fish. At least we got one. We'll see what else we can catch. I'm gonna reverse back up into this corner and drift out again and see. Yep, there's no one. Pick that up, maybe. No, small again. What's up with these small flatties? 3 out of this spot. So I've hopped out of my boat, just put it there. And I'm just gonna come walk because I can fish it a bit more slower. The wind's up a bit. If I had a trolling motor or if the wind was a bit slower, I would just work my way slowly through the creek. But I'm going land-based. I'm just gonna flick along as I go, just work a bit up, and then I'll hop in the boat again and drift all the way down to that corner. But this isn't a bad fish. I mean, today's been very slow, as I've been saying, and we just gotta persist. It's warmed up a bit now that it's the afternoon, the sun's come out, and there is fish in here. Just gotta find a better one. Yep, just dropped one. Yep, on. Not a bad one. Could be alright. Sort of just legal. Oh, they're on the chew. Oh, ow. Oh, that just whacked in the back of my head. That's what I'm getting it on, guys. Just a little black and gold. I think it's 4 or 3 inches. Yeah, they definitely seem to be up in this little hole. Yep. Oh, another one. Oh, bugger. What the hell? no one. Another small one. What is going on? He's really small. Tiny, but another fish. First one from the corner.